Hello, I'm Azrin, and in this video I am going to share with you my short process of drawing 25 flowers in a week. It's been a while since I draw manually other than in my doodle journal, so I decided to draw at least 25 drawings of flowers for my Patreon this month. I'm using my Sakura Pigma fine brush with 300 GCM Maypap hot press paper. There is actually no long thought process in this drawing session. All the drawings are different, but I have around 5 to 6 types of flowers and 3 to 4 types of leaves that I keep mixing up and repeating in each drawing. I didn't sketch it up front because these flowers are something that I can already draw from memory. That's it for now. Thank you for your time and stay safe.